Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Grid.
What does the dictionary say?
A grading of crossed bars used for properly graphing.
Math rap.
A grid keeps things from looking like a mess, like a game board of checkers or chess. Horizontal and vertical lines set uniformly in a set of lines so we can graph accurately.
Math rap.
Explain a grid in your own words. How do you make grids disappear? You just get rid of them. List 5 types of things you can graph on a grid. Using a grid, accurately graph the food my friend Gerd eats in a day. List the numbers on one side and the food items on the other. 3 pizzas, 10 bottles of orange juice, 7 chocolate bars, and 1 olive. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!